So there's an exciting change at Platform D-Risk. We are very pleased to finally announce that we have now rebranded our EV Comply software product. EV Comply has now become installHUB. This brand evolution forms part of an overall strategy, and for us it's just a natural evolvement from both a product and a business perspective. So that's why we are now offering to all our users the ability to facilitate not just EV charger installs, but battery storage, solar PV and other installation types will follow too. This will give all our users more options and will assist in accelerating the wider education and the adoption of energy efficient measures across the UK. We're listening to all our customers and partners, and we'll continue to add new modules and capabilities and build in as much beneficial value as possible for all our users. For more information, you can go to our website at installhub.com.